Okay, so one of the most important things in dance when we start out is going to be our feet and how we position them when we start dancing. So in Latin ballroom dancing, what we always want to have is beautiful turnout. So if we have our feet together, in standard, normally we would have our feet right here together parallel, but in international Latin, in American rhythm, we want to have a little V. It doesn't have to be large, it doesn't have to be large turnout, but it has to be a little bit something here. And you want to position your weight such that you're positioned on the inside edge of your feet. So your weight really isn't on the outside edges at all. It's primarily on the ball of your foot, on the inside edge. So let's say we want to transfer to one leg. What we do is if we actually bend one leg, straighten the other leg, maybe put all of our weight onto our left leg, what do? We always try to maintain that turnout as we switch from left to right to left to right. And so once we do that, we can also establish here another position like this. We always have turnout, but we can have our toes together in this position here. Notice I want to keep everything beautiful as possible. I don't have any loss of turnout in my free leg like this. I still want to keep my ankles. I feel like my ankles are always closed toward each other. So let's just try to walk in a cha-cha. So we're going to go starting with the left leg forward. Left leg forward. So we're going to go. And when we go forward, what happens? We have to go forward with the toe brushing against the floor at all times. So no lifting off the toe at any time. We're going to go toe, ball, and then at some point, if you wait just back to the ball of the foot, we're going to have to gradually bring the heel down so there's no feeling of bringing the heel down very, very quickly. So we have to go toe, ball of the foot, gradually bring the heel down. What happens here? We're in like a split weight position. We have to push off of our back leg. We're going to go ball of the foot of the back leg, inside edge, and toe. Once we point and finish our back leg, then we can bring in and drag the toe and collect. Once again into our beautiful turnout position. We can just walk forward like this. We're going to go toe, ball, heel, and then go back ball and toe on the back leg. Toe, ball, heel, keep going, and toe, ball, heel. Now let's say we want to add a cha-cha lock step to this. So we're going to go 2 walks and cha-cha-cha. We're going to go toe, ball, heel, forward step, finish the leg, collect, toe, ball, heel, finish the leg, collect, toe, ball, heel, cha. Now we're going to finish, but we're going to get into this lock position, and we have the ball of the foot of the back leg still on the inside edge here. Yeah, so very important. You don't want to have this position here where you're on the outside edge here. You want to be on the inside edge of your back leg. Why is this important? Because you're going to straighten the back leg to articulate the front leg so that it can go, again, toe, ball, heel. So every cha-cha that happens, cha-cha lock step, you have to articulate that front leg to make it beautiful. If we just keep doing this lock step, cha, 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 toe, ball, heel, and toe, ball, heel, and toe, ball, heel, and toe, ball, heel. Very nice.